Hey Cornelius, I'm in the process of getting ready for a big change around here, or should I say possibly a small upcoming change to the household. Figured I'd take a snack break, but then I realized with the change coming, I don't want Quetzal, the axolotl, to feel left out, or like second best. Quetzal's the queen of the household. So I figured maybe we should do an unboxing in honor of her. Let's see what we can do. Squish? Foodie friend axolotls? I mean, I wanted axolotls and a snack, and I think we have enough. I say, let's open them up. Welcome to Z's Toy Box. I'm Z, this is Cornelius, and this is Quetzal. Obviously she's napping in her tank at the moment, but this episode's for her. So today we are bringing you Squish Axolotl, the Foodie Friends series by the Toy Network. There's so many, I don't know, I believe each axolotl is mutated with some sort of food. We're gonna go through and pick out at least one of each kind, see what we have, and give them a squeeze. So sorting out, it looks like there are 6 different variations, and I thought it would be the same of each kind. No, there's only 4 or 5 at most, and 2 of them only have 3. So whatever pack I bought, I guess is random or has 2 rares. So we'll open up one of each. Let's get one of each out. Oh, they stand. Okay, well, that one doesn't. So, in this set, you get a popsicle, ice cream, a very loaded cheeseburger, a bubble boba tea, popcorn, or a cake. I've got to say, these are, dare I say, the perfect squish. And I also enjoyed the design for each one. I mean, there's some detail in the molding, and the paint is pretty amazing, including each one has a little tail in the bottom too. So we have cheeseburger and ice cream, popsicle and bubble tea, popcorn, and birthday cake. I gotta say, overall, it's a very simple toy. These are obviously meant to be like a little party favor thing, but as party favors come, instead of just giving out like stickers or buttons, these are, I mean, some of the most colorful little things I've ever seen in my life. These are impressive. So yeah, you can have a party which involves snacks or axolotls, or just a party that should involve snacks and axolotls. I highly recommend these. This was a win, and the box I got, yeah, that's a lot. It's gonna be a big party. Or if you have your teacher, little prize box. Now it does say ages 3 and up, so preschool and up for party favors perhaps. Or just grab a handful on a stressful day and squeeze. This is that slow rise. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this brief episode this week. And make sure you tune in next time for more random finds, random mysteries, and who knows what else. More stress-relieving, food-related amphibians. Please, if you own an axolotl, don't squish it. Get these to squish. This is what I do. As soon as I can't cuddle Quetzal, I'll use these and cuddle them instead. Also, special announcement for next time on Z's Toy Box. We are going to be starting a series on a certain kind of toys to celebrate the change that's coming. So make sure you tune in next week to see possibly a new co-host and member of the Z's Toy Box team. So stick around and we will see you next week. Bye! Here we have our Squish Foodie Friend axolotls. Cute, colorful, and now I'm hungry. I need a legit snack. Doot doot.